Holy shit, Evercoat should sponsor this one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be so much primer, guys. Yeah. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the final episode of 2025 here for I.K.P Paintworks on YouTube. First and foremost, thank you guys who are subscribed to the channel and for those who actively leave comments and support us. We big time appreciate that. It helps us grow within the algorithm when you guys are interacting with us. So thank you guys very much. Now, to get to the point, you guys can see here, we got Stevens Welding truck in the booth finally to mask up, finalize, and get it put into some primer. It's been a long time coming, an absolute ton of work. There's still a lot to do to this thing. You'll notice some of the stuff in here isn't quite up to paintable standards because it will not be getting paint. It'll be getting color match bed liner. So once the body or bed, so to speak, is blocked out and painted, we'll come back in, mask our lines off, we'll prep these areas for bed liner, we'll do any putty work we need to do before we bed line it, and then we'll apply the bed liner and make all that look super smooth and like it was perfect before we coated it. So if you're wondering why that stuff isn't body worked inside there like the rest of this, that's why. It's just a way to save a little bit of time, a little bit of money to the customer, do it all in one shot instead of doing it little by little until we get to that point. But welcome back, guys. Last episode, like I said, of the year. We're gonna get this video rolling. You're gonna give it a blowy? All right, so we got Stevens 6400 here in the booth. We've showed this quite a few times on our channel, but figured maybe I'd break down just a little bit more in depth as to what we got going on here for some of you guys that are new to the channel. So this is a 6400. Normally it would come with a flatbed. This is a custom made bed that Steven and his crew made out in New Mexico. That Tray 5 took over the fabrication part of it. They added some 3100 fenders, welded those on, cut and stretched them. Just a lot of modification here on this thing as far as doors and body filler and molding all this stuff, and the tail lights, Frenched in license plate box, just a ton of work. So our game plan here after paint would be from here in, we're gonna do color match bed liner, so the body work in here doesn't have to be as nice, in case you have noticed and or were wondering, you know, just based on what you see here. Inside here is an ice chest section, so we're going to bed line inside here so he doesn't have to worry about damaging anything when he drops that in. Inside here is for the welding unit that goes in here, stacks, the welding bottle. So it's actually pretty cool what they did here, and he's going to basically use this for parades and stuff for his company. So we're definitely excited to be at this point with this truck. As you can see, like I mentioned, it is a ton of body work. A ton of work's gone into this truck so far. So I'm excited to see this thing with some primer on it. Dylan's gonna get ready to shoot that, and we'll be setting off the new year with a really cool project to get painted this year, hopefully coming up. there you have it. Stevens 6400. God, the thing is just killer. I mean, look at that. Pumped on this thing. So pumped on this thing. This is just one of those vehicles you just don't get to do very often and or ever. So I'm really, really excited for this and for next year. We've got this one to do, which now we'll be ready to start blocking this thing out. We do have the running board still to do. We still do have body work on the inner firewall to do, which we can't do because the engine's in it, and obviously because the cab is on the chassis. Once we pull this apart, and the guys next door at Tray 5 get the chassis prepped and ready to go to powder coat, that's when we'll make a push at doing the body work on the firewall and shooting some color. Until then, we've got a whole lot of truck here to get all blocked out, dialed in, and made sure that we're happy with everything. Maybe some spot priming, maybe not. We'll see once we block it out. But this will be one killer truck coming out of the shop next year, along with, we've already started on this one here, which is Tim's truck. Coming along really good. Taylor's actually knocking this one out, as of right now anyhow. But yeah, he's got this side shaped pretty good, glassed in, gaps are looking good. Hopefully next week we'll be able to work even more on this and get more progress moving forward on this truck. We also have Manny's Blazer over there that we got out of the booth from last week. We got the epoxy prime done on all the bare metal stuff after the metal work. We've still got our shell over there primed and ready to be blocked out and painted. We have 2 shells to do, so I'm not sure if I think we're bedlining the inside of both shells, so I think maybe, I'll talk with Manny about that, but maybe we'll do both shells at the same time, the underside, and then once those are done, we'll flip them, block and paint this one, and then repair, paint, whatever we gotta do to the other top, and then both tops will be done. That'll give us a little bit of stuff to do while the truck heads next door to Tray 5 for the chassis soon. We also have, in the corner over there, we have Victor's C10, which we'll be getting going on here pretty soon towards the beginning of the year here. That's gonna be a really, really cool truck too. Can't wait to see that thing. The rendering of that thing's killer. I love what he's doing with it. I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna look absolutely sick as well. Let's see here, what else we got to talk about? I don't really have much else to talk about because it is New Year's Eve and I wanna get the heck out of here, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this year's YouTube episodes. For those of you who've been here for the whole entire year and watched me transform these videos and the editing and all that stuff, I hope you're liking what I'm doing and I hope I'm getting better. I feel like I'm getting better. Still learning all the time and still trying to give you guys the best that I can give you with what I know how to do. So hopefully next year they'll get better and hopefully our subscriber count will get bigger. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, hype, whatever it is you gotta do to this video to help us get this channel going. And we'll see you guys next year on the next episode.